Ho, it's FragWatch. Yeah, ho, it's FragWatch. Yeah, it's FragWatch. And today we're gonna be unboxing the Waizowl Cloud XS. Waizowl Cloud Nexus. So Waizowl Cloud Nexus. Hey, FragWatch here. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Waizowl XS Cloud. And I think it's the typography colorway. Very excited for this, actually. I loved the Cloud. I haven't tried the S variant. And this Typo colorway, if I remember correctly, looks pretty killer. For those who have asked about the knife, here's it's Damascus. Anyways. Okay, hopefully we won't need that anymore. I need to get better sheath for this. That's a different story, yeah. Okay, here we go. Little unboxing. Try to move the mic over for some. Nice. There we go. Back of this sleeve. Very nice. Okay. Got the Feather Cloud X5 Feather 3.0, it says. 45 grams, 8K. Wiser than owls. Let's see what this says. Honoring the players who have been with us since the beginning. Waizowl team. Okay. See what this is. I've been buying their products for over a year and a half now. I'm a very big fan of Waizowl. Their keycaps, I think all but one of their keycap sets. I've had all their mouse pads. I have like 7 or 8 OG MV2s. Pretty good. Oh my God. Now that looks good. Wow. That's crazy. Look at that. Oh, that's sick. The coating on it. Oh, dude, whoa, that's wild. Oh, look how good that looks on that. Oh, I think I might be in love with you. Yeah, okay. Let's continue this. Yeah. Don't you be stealing the spotlight, Mr. Bloodline's Ponage Stormbreaker. Get out of here. This is the Cloud Spotlight time with it. Typography, black and gold colorway. Alright, here we go. Alright, if I'm capable of opening this, okay, we're just gonna throw this all out. So what do we got? We've got, save this. This might be cool stuff. Might not be. Get my mic's slagging. Fix my mic on. Let's see what we got. We got cord. We have, those are gnarly grips. Check that out. Check out the patterns on that. Pretty cool. What else we got? Need skates. No skates on my mouse. There must be skates in there. Alright, get this back in there. Now I'm going to need grips with how incredible that coating feels. That cord is a cord. It's just a cord. It's a cord. It's nothing special. Nothing to write to your mama about, okay? You're not going to be calling home and saying, oh my God, Mom, I can't believe what I got in the post. It's incredible. What do we got here? Trying. Oh, I destroyed the envelope. Oh, it's nothing. It was part of the envelope. Okay. All right. FragWatch destroys the envelope. Uh-oh. I only got one ring skate. Let's watch me fuck this. Oh my god, oh man, my back hurts. Let's watch me fuck this up. Yep. Okay, I'm breathing. Breathe, FragWatch, breathe. Breathe in. Maybe if I sing while I do it, my god. Can I beat the plastic bag? Plastic bag's gonna defeat me. I like corners, man. Okay. I like corners. What a thing to say. Oh, I like corners. I am really excited for The Accountant too, by the way. Those of you who just got that joke or hee-haw. I like bags. Okay. All right. I can't wait for that movie. All right, here we go. I just did it. Perfect. First try. Today might be a good day. Today might be a great day. For that. I can't even just believe I did that. Who got the skate on right the first time? Oh, it's FragWatch, yeah. Okay. To the backside first. I'm feeling like the backside needs some love. Ooh, man, that could be a dope song. Yo, I feel like the backside could use some love. I'm feeling... Oh, shit. There we go. I'm feeling like the backside could use some love. That's what we're doing. I'm eating up all this time so I get more view time on my channel by putting skates on my mouse that you all don't give a shit about. Here we go. I think Waizowl... Controversial take here, but I think it's a good... guess. I think Waizowl is going to be the next Lamzoo or Pulsar. Next Pulsar. Big compliment for me. Big compliment from me. Big. Okay? This is sweet. I think I have yet to get a Waizowl product that hasn't just been like, wow, where has this been? This is incredible. You know? Very excited for all the products that they release. Even their mouse pads have been like really good. That Owl mouse pad, was that last year or the year before, was really good. The Raven was really good. The Raven was so good, I gave it to one of my best friends to use. Pretty high endorsement from me. It's a red pad. It's a good one, man. You know who you are out there with my red pad. And you like it. You won't even use the other pad I sent you. And it's a banger. Is it my Samurai? I don't know. It was a good pad, though. Okay. Let's peel these off. Get this video over with. Let's see if I'm capable of not damaging the skates. Jesus. I won't repack this. I'm not going to milk all the view time. Yeah, I'm going to repack this for y'all so I can milk the view time. I want to start earning money off this. You know what I mean? Alright. So if you're bored, go get a drink. So let this last minute and a half or whatever it's going to be play out. I'll sing the whole time because that's what I do. Let's watch me fuck up this ring skate, this sensor skate now. I didn't fuck up this. I didn't fuck up the thing I complain about all the time. Oh my god. Okay. We're kicking ass. We are kicking ass. Wow. Okay. Let's pack up. Yeah. Alright, this is trash. Let me get this. Oh, let's get the sensor out. We didn't unbox the sensor. Forgot about that. God, this plastic crap. Alright, let's take a gander. Pretty standard 8K dongle from Waizowl. If you've seen them, that's what they are. They got a little owl. Wah, wah! Hoot, hoot. Hooty hoot. Let's get some stuff on here. Let's sing a little song for you. Let's sing it all day. I think that I've got a mouse that you might like, and it is kinda like the Waizowl mouse. The Waizowl Cloud XS. The Waizowl mouse. Waizowl mouse XS. Waizowl Cloud mouse. For you and yours. The Waizowl Cloud mouse that you adore. Oh, it feels great in the hand. Oh, great in the hand. It feels great in the hand all day long. I love this mouse, singing it from the south, and I wanna use this mouse all day long. Milking view time so I can get monetized faster. Woo! Hey! Check it. All right. I hope I enjoy this one. I know I will. Catch you guys in the next one.